Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. Today we are here to discuss a very important topic, that is linear pair. And before I begin the linear pair concept, I would suggest you to please have a note of it whatever we will discuss today. Now remember, first of all, what is linear pair actually? So remember, every meaning of any of the concept is hidden in the word only. So if you talk about the word, this linear pair word is a combination of two words, linear and pair. So if you talk about pair, pair means set of two angles. Pair का मतलब होता है हमेशा दो. So you are talking about a set of two angles. So that is the main thing here. It means we will be talking about two angles here. Now the second thing which you will see here, that is the word linear. Now remember, the word linear is coming from the word line. And remember, here we are talking about always a straight line. Okay? And remember, a straight line, you must be knowing, a straight line represent which kind of angle? It is always a straight angle. Straight line means a straight angle. And straight angle, when you talk about, that means you are talking about 180 degree. So remember, ultimately the connection of linear pair is with 180. Okay? And remember, 180 degree is having the concept if you combine with pair and 180. So अगर आपको पता होगा, हम लोग इसके पहले भी पढ़ चुके हैं कि when you have a pair of angle, whether it is adjacent or non-adjacent, if it gives you the sum 180, that is called supplementary. Okay, so it means again the concept, one more concept comes, that linear pair has the connection with supplementary. So remember one thing, linear pairs are always supplementary. This is a very important line. Remember always that linear pairs are always supplementary. This is one concept. Now you must be thinking, if linear pairs are always supplementary, then what is the difference between linear pair and supplementary angle? Why we are studying differently both the things? So remember, they are different, but there is a very thin difference. Now let me tell you what is the thin difference between them. Remember, linear pair is also having the combination of two angles. Supplementary is also having the combination of two angles. But the concept is supplementary angle pair can be adjacent or non-adjacent both. But when you talk about linear pair, it can be only adjacent. Now let me tell you with the help of definition of linear pair, it is a pair of adjacent angle. Adjacent angle whose sum is 180 degree. Now again देखो 180 degree आ गया मतलब supplementary आ गया. So remember, linear pairs are always supplementary. Now what is the difference between linear pair and supplementary? That linear pairs will be only adjacent angles and supplementary angles will be adjacent or non-adjacent both. Like it can be adjacent as well, it can be non-adjacent as well. There is no if and but in that. But if you talk about linear pair, you should only have adjacent angle. Now let me tell you another concept of the diagram of it. Now you are talking about 180 degree. So 180 degree means you are talking about, again I'll just take the concept reverse which I have taught you earlier. If you talk about 180, 180 means a straight angle. A straight angle means a straight line. Okay, straight angle means straight line. Remember, the line should be very straight. So straight angle means straight line. So straight line means straight angle, that is 180 degrees. So I've drawn this line. Now it is talking about adjacent angle. Adjacent angle, we have done it in our previous class also. Adjacent angle means a pair of angle who has common vertex, common arm, and also the non-common arms are opposite side of common arms, or you can call it either side of common arm. So here, if you make one line like this way, then it becomes two angles, like pair of angle, which are adjacent. Now this will become a figure of adjacent. Why? This is the common vertex, this is the common arm, and this is non-common arm, which is on the opposite direction of common arm. Okay, so this is adjacent angle. So now this is a pair of two angles, let's say A and B, which are giving you the sum 180 degree. Because you can see here that if you will add A and B together, you will get it 180 degree only. Why? Because you are making it on straight line only. So it will give you definitely 180 degree. Okay. So I was discussing here that we are talking about A and B. So remember, A and B are those type of angles which are giving you the sum 180 degree. Now remember one more important concept. ये आप इसको एक क्लू की तरह याद कर सकते हो कि the linear pairs are always a खड़ी and पड़ी line. खड़ी and पड़ी line means this is the line which is पड़ी. पड़ी means which is lying. Lying मतलब it is slanting line. You can see it here. It is lying on the surface. Then another line which is talking about khadi line. Khadi matlab the line which is standing line. So one line which is lying, one line which is standing. So standing, everybody knows that we always speak stand straight. But it is not always that we are always standing straight only. So there will be many of the poses in which you stand. Like it can be this way also. This is also a pair of linear pair. It can be also when you are standing straight. This is also a linear pair. It can be also a way of standing like this. So this is also a linear pair. So this standing can be in many ways. But this lying line should be always straight. Why it should be always straight? Because you're talking about straight angle. So straight angle that represents straight angle 180 degree. So this should be fixed. But this standing line can be in many ways. This can be in this way, this can be in this way, straight way, so like that only. So now remember, two angles in such a way that they are adjacent, first concept, and giving you the sum 180 degree, they are called linear pairs. So the linear pair angles are A and B here. Now remember one more important thing. If I'll ask you that if A and B are forming a linear pair, angle A and angle B are forming linear pair. So if A is obtuse, what do you see here? B is acute. Okay. If I interchange and if I tell you that if I interchange this and I'll make the diagram in such a way that A become acute, then B becomes obtuse. You can see the figure here that जैसे ही आप इस A को acute बनाते हो, B वाला अपने आप obtuse बन जाता है. So A will become acute here and B will become obtuse in this case. So always remember, in a linear pair, if one angle is acute, then another angle will become automatically obtuse only. ठीक है? Now the next concept. If suppose no acute, no obtuse, दोनों ही नहीं है, एक acute भी नहीं है, एक obtuse भी नहीं है, दोनों के दोनों right है. या आप ये बोल सकते हो कि एक angle right है. Right angle means 90 degree. So always remember, if one angle is right angle, that is 90 degree, so another will also become 90 degree only. Why? Because you want the sum 180. Because 180 is fixed. Okay? So let us see some pairs of, now if you can see if one angle is right, another will also be right. This is one important thing here. Now let's move on to the next concept over here. Some linear pairs. Some linear pairs, how will you see this? How can you solve the question related to linear pairs? Suppose this is 30 and it is told that they are forming a linear pair, or you find this type of figure there. If you find this kind of figure, you will always find out the value of x. How will you find? Because it is a linear pair. Linear pairs are always supplementary. So if you have to find out the value of x, how will you do that? X is equals to 180 degree minus 30. So which will give you 150 degrees. X value is 150. Reason? You have to mention the reason always. Reason is that they are linear pairs. So linear pairs are supplementary. You will mention this line always. Okay, linear pairs are always supplementary. So remember the answer of x value will be 150 degree. So remember always, if you have to solve the questions related to linear pair, you can do it in this way. Thank you very much. That's all for today.